So we want to use the elimination method to solve this particular system of linear equations. So we have the first equation as 2x plus 3y equal to 6, and the next one 4x plus 9y equal to 15. Now, one of the first steps to solving system of linear equation using the elimination method is by eliminating one of the variables, either x or y. So what we are going to be doing, we'll look for what to do to one of the equations to be able to eliminate either of them. So if we actually want to eliminate s from these two equations, we'll be multiplying equation 1 by 2. So 2 times equation 1. This will become, equation 1 becomes 2 times 2 will give us 4x plus 2 times 3 will give us 6y equal to 12, which becomes our equation 3. Now, we can then subtract equation 2 from equation 1, from equation 3, sorry. So we have equation 2 minus equation 3. Now, remember, the reason why we are doing all these things is just for us to be able to eliminate x from these two equations. So if we have equation 2, which is this, minus equation 3, which is this, we'll be having 4x minus 4x. So x is gone, which is it has been eliminated. Then we now have 9y minus 6y, which will give us 3y equal to 15 minus 12 will then give us 3. That means y will now become 3 over 3. Y is equal to 1. So having gotten our y as 1, we are going to be substituting for y into any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's take equation 1 for instance. We have equation 1 as 2x plus 3y equal to 6. If we are to substitute for y into this equation, remember this is equation 1. This will become 2x plus 3. Remember our y is 1 equal to 6. So this is 2x plus 3 equal to 6. So you have 2x equal to 6 minus 3. That's this positive 3 crossing the equality sign. We then be having 2x equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. So x is equal to 3 over 2, giving us x comma y equal to 3 over 2 comma 1. So we want to solve this system of linear equation using the elimination method so that we can get familiar with this particular method. Here we have 2x plus 4y equal to minus 2, and we have 3x minus 2y equal to 13. Now remember, we find a way to eliminate one of these variables, either x or y. So let's try multiplying the first equation by 3. So we have 3 times equation 1 will give us 6x plus 12y minus 6. Let's take this as our third equation. Then let's multiply equation 2 by 2. We have 2 times equation 2, which will give us 6x minus 4y equal to 2 times 13 is 26. Let's take this as our fourth equation. Now, x for the third and the fourth equation have same coefficient, which is 6. So we can actually subtract equation 4 from equation 3 to eliminate x. So we have equation 3 minus equation 4. So 6x minus 6x. X is eliminated. 12y minus 4y. That will give us 16. We have 12y minus 4y. That will give us 16y equal to minus 6 minus 26. That will give us minus 30. Minus 32. Yes. So we then have y equal to minus 32 over 16, which is y equal to minus 2. So we've gotten our y as minus 2. Next thing, we'll be substituting for y into either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's go with equation y. When y equal to minus 2, we have 2x plus 4y equal to minus 2. That's equation 1. So anywhere we see y, we'll insert our minus 2 there. We have 2x plus 4. Remember, y is minus 2 equal to minus 2. This will give us 2x. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 equal to minus 2, which will become 2x equal to minus 2 plus 8. That's the minus 8 crossing over the equality sign. So this is 2x equal to minus 2 plus 8. We then have 2x equal to 6. 2 minus 2 plus 8, that's 6. So we then have x equal to 6 over 2. X equal to 3. That will give us x comma y equal to 3 comma minus 2. So that is this for elimination method.